Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would share with you the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. And before we move on to that, let me tell you about the call. So you can book this particular TopMate call. And if you're looking for any kind of career guidance, if you're looking for any kind of queries with respect to how are the type of jobs coming up in the market with respect to testing, how you should prepare, or you're looking for any kind of mentorship, you need your resume to be getting shortlisted. So feel free to book a call here. If you have any doubts with respect to background verification, or you're not able to get the calls from the Naukri.com or from the LinkedIn, or your preparation is not thorough, or you're not able to crack the interviews, feel free to book a call. And definitely, I would connect with you personally to ensure that you get the best guidance possible. Now, let me share with you the multiple job opportunities, right? So, there are multiple job opportunities that I would like to share with you today. So, first of all, the positions are for freshers. Okay. So, the very first job opportunity is for Codex Company, which is hiring the 200 number of freshers. So, this is a good company which is hiring freshers, and it's a bulk hiring of freshers. Okay. Interview mode would be virtual. And here is the link. So I'll be putting this link in the first comment of the video. All the details, all the links would be in the first comment of the video itself. Interview mode is virtual, online, work location is pan India. Required skills is basic knowledge of programming languages, Java, Python, C++, .NET, understanding of OOPS concepts, basic knowledge of DBMS and SQL, familiarity with Git or version control tools. Selection process would be simple: online assessment, technical interview, HR discussion, right? And this is the link wherein you have to register. Okay, so you have to complete. So there is an assessment here that you have to complete before 15th of March 2026. Okay, so if you are shortlisted, Codex Hire team will reach out to you through registered email for the next interview rounds. Capgemini is having a face-to-face drive in Pune for experienced professionals on Feb 28th. So they are hiring for both consultant as well as senior consultant. It is not just the skill set of backend Java, they are also hiring for automation testers. So the location is Pune. You can apply for this particular position. It's a very good position, and it's a face-to-face walk-in drive. Go there on Feb 28th. Then again, as I told you, Capgemini, not only Java, it is hiring for automation testing also. So with respect to automation, you can see Playwright plus automation, location is Bangalore, ETL plus Python, location is Bangalore, Selenium plus Java plus API, REST assured SDET, location is Bangalore, performance testing, load runner plus JMeter, again, location is Bangalore. So you can join, and all these links would be in the first comment of the video. The location is Capgemini, Whitefield, Bangalore. Okay, so these are the details. Then HCL Technologies is also hiring for automation testing roles. The location is Chennai, Hyderabad, or Bangalore. Experience range is 4 to 10 years. So if you are someone who has got skill set in Selenium, Java, Cucumber, TestNG, Agile, Git, experience of 5 to 10 years, location is Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, you can apply for this particular position. Then automation test lead, Python, Selenium, or Playwright automation experience is 5 to 10 years. Location is Chennai, Hyderabad, or Bangalore. Again, quality engineer, APM and API. Experience required is 4 to 7 years. Location is Bangalore. Then automation tester, Playwright, UI plus API. Again, 4 to 6 years of experience, and the location is Bangalore. So various skill sets are there. And not only that, API automation engineer, rest assured, and experiences required is 5 to 10 years. Location is Chennai or Bangalore, right? So this is the link to whom you can approach for the referral. So let me share that link also. Let me show you. So there are multiple opportunities. So if you go via referral, definitely it would assist you a lot. So Satyanarayan Mohanty, who is working currently with the HCL Technologies, he has come forward to provide you the referrals. So you can apply over here itself, right? So you can see in his post, he has posted it today. Okay, looking for Selenium, Java, Cucumber, TestNG, Agile, Git, automation test lead, quality engineer, automation tester, Playwright automation for UI testing and API. Then automation tester again, Playwright automation, rest assured or Karate for API testing. All of these things are required. Okay, everything. Then There is a requirement for the So there is a requirement for automation test engineer. Now this is again Bangalore or Chennai. Selenium plus Java plus SQL plus Python. Experience required is 4.5 plus years of relevant experience. And the criteria is minimum 4 plus years of Selenium experience, 15 years of full-time education required. So if you're passionate about automation, you can share your resume to this email address. Then Digit Mantra is hiring for team lead, quality analyst. So here is a link wherein you can apply. Then there's a requirement for test lead, functional testing, Noida, work from office. Okay, so they are looking for someone who can join immediately. Okay, so they are looking for someone who has got strong experience in functional testing, ability to lead testing efforts across projects, solid understanding of SDLC, STLC, excellent stakeholder communication skills. So all of these things are required. And here is the email address where you can share your CV. Then there's a requirement for QA automation engineer, 6 plus years of experience. Location is Bangalore, and they are looking for someone who has got again good expertise in QA automation testing, proficiency in Java, hands-on experience with Selenium WebDriver. So you can share your updated resume at this email address. Then there's a requirement for senior QA, Bangalore. Experience required is 5 plus years. So they are looking for someone who can perform functional regression and API testing, perform manual as well as automation testing. So you can share your CV at this email address. So multiple requirements are there, but if you would have analyzed the requirements, it has been coming. So most of the requirements are looking for automation testers. It's not like there is no demand for manual testers, but the demand for automation testing using Selenium or using Playwright, that is increasing a lot. So if you are looking for a switch, if you are looking for a change, I would recommend you learn these particular tools that are there in the market. For example, Playwright is there, AI is there. Learn one of the scripting language, TypeScript or JavaScript. And if you still feel confusion, feel free to book a call here. Okay, so this kind of calls will help you. One is to one career guidance on the top mate. It would help you a lot, right? So you can book the call, and we are not here to do the marketing. We are here to assist you. We are here to support you, right? So book a call and assist yourself, and don't hesitate to connect, right? You can let us know whatever has happened in your career, and the right suggestion, the right guidance, the right career path would be shared with you. We are not going to do any kind of sales things with you. Okay, we are not going to market anything, but the right kind of suggestions, the genuine suggestions would be shared with you, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.